How to create an account on Unocoin. Are you guys facing issues to create an account on Unocoin website? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Chrome on your laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the Chrome, now search for Unocoin. As soon as you enter the website, you can see this option for enter mobile phone number. Once you write down your phone number, click on get started. After you click on get started, you need to fill up all these details. As soon as you fill up all these details, click on I agree to the terms and conditions and click on sign up. After you click on sign up, they will send you verification code or OTP on your registered mobile phone number. Now write down that code. Once you write down that code, your account will be successfully created. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to create an account on Unocoin. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.